let's take a look at how to sell the port. In today's world, we drink a little less of the sweet wines, or a lot less, really. It's not only a little, but we can find great ways to introduce the category to your guests. If you're working in a restaurant, how do we do that? It is really up to sommelier to talk about the port, because after a dinner, during the dinner, this is not the first thing that comes to your guest's mind. So what can we do? Well, there are a few ways. Well, if you want to start with the port, you can use it in cocktails, for example. This is a very popular way today of using port just as an aperitif to bring it in. In some culture, it is an aperitif. You can use a chilled ruby port as an aperitif as well. So then moving from here, it is a great pairing for cheeses. It is a fantastic pairing for desserts as well, or just after dinner drink on its own. Can you match ports with the main courses? Yes, you can. And if you're a sommelier and progressive sommelier, and you want to bring in a really memorable experience for your guest, please do that. Those are sometimes when you are able to marry the flavors of food and wine, and actually show your guests that you can take them from the comfort zone. In many ways, you can find people just falling in love again with ports. But there's another a very good way of presenting port is a tappet hen. You see that bottle to the left. Tappet hen is 225 liters. It's a larger format bottle. And a great way to serve it as a sommelier on the floor, you go out with the large bottle to one of the tables, and once the floor sees that, sort of in a sense a show of the presentation, many guests will also follow, having at the same time an amazing experience, and something that they will keep in mind for a very long time. Another very good thing about the many port styles is that you don't have to, once you store it properly, you don't have to use it right away. You have a longer time of the storage, even when it comes to open bottles. So this is also a good way to be able to offer those wines by the glass.